Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, guys. It's Wednesday, and the market seems to be seriously selling. And don't forget that during the day, actually, there is a core CPI, which we've been waiting for, by the way. And if things don't go well, if the inflation is still going up, it means the market can still go down, especially when we're still expecting the Fed interest rates to increase the rates, you see. So for those who wants to join the team, guys, for those who wants to join the team, you can see that you can WhatsApp me, Telegram me, just let me know if you want to be part of the team. But there's the ones that decide they want to join, let's say a mentorship. Yes, that is still available, guys. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. And as I said, if you are in South Africa, you can pay 500 for that. And if you are in a different country, that might be it's around $30, something like this, like that. So we actually have something like this. Currently, just WhatsApp me. That is actually yearly. I hope you can able to see whatever that I tried to show you there. So don't forget that later on, actually we have to go live. When they release the news, like say core CPI, and also maybe we can also wait for the market to open and we can also go live. We will see what will happen actually. So let's go straight to our daily analysis and see what's really happening. So as you know, we start with Bitcoin. What's really happening? We can easily see that yes, the market is still on that downtrend. You can see the market has been downtrending, and currently what we have here, we have an area where the market seems to be respecting. So the best thing that we can do is to go to go closer and see what's really happening. So we can easily see that yes, the market is actually respecting this area and trying to push up, but we don't know if maybe the market will break this area, or maybe we can say we can have this area as a resistant there. If the market comes around that area, we'll be expecting maybe the market to push lower. If we see a breakout, we can actually just wait for this breakout to be broken, and we'll say, you know what, maybe Bitcoin is about to recover. But whatever that I see now, it seems like yes, the market is still bleeding. The market is actually still bleeding. I hope you can see that we are strongly on a downtrend, as you can see there. And I've been saying that for some time. So what's really happening on German 40? Remember, yesterday we did it very nicely, guys. We did it very nicely. That's why you should be part of the team, by the way. So what's really happening? We can easily see that yes, the market is still, let me just use a little bit thicker. The market is it's on this downtrend. You can see that is quite easy, and then we can just say the market might move like that. And guess what, I had actually I did send this in the group, and then we can see that yes, actually yesterday, by the way. So we can see that yes, the market is actually respecting this area and is pushing lower, even though even day before yesterday, I think I did send a signal here, but the market just pushed up after. But it was on a very nice profit, by the way. And even now, it seems like the market is respecting this resistance. So we're expecting the market to do what? To keep going down, which means whoever who took the signal, they are eating. Simple as that. So what can we say if the market breaks this area? Nothing much. We can say, oh, maybe the market is about to change that trend and to do what? To push the upside, because currently the market is actually on a downtrend. Once we see the breakout, we'll be saying that, oh, maybe the market is about to change the trend, and maybe we can have a buy pending order, or maybe some buy opportunities above that. Yes, we can still buy, and because the market is actually oversold, guys. The market is oversold, but for us not to guess, it means we just have to follow the structure. We just need to follow the market structure. You see, we don't have to wish. We don't have to wish for things to happen. It's like learning about Forex. If you wish things to happen, remember, riches don't respond to wishes. You just have to get the knowledge, and the knowledge you apply it, actually into action, and those steps that you go into to use there, they're going to help you. Wishing, if there's people who that are still wishing to make it in the market, and they don't want to learn, they just wish maybe if I trade, if I am in the market for a year or two, maybe I'll make it. No, you're lying to yourself. Just try to learn, get a mentor, then try to learn. Maybe you can get something. Just try to improve your knowledge. If you're still playing games, then it's fine. You can still lose, obviously. You can keep losing. You can keep losing. It's part of the game, by the way. When we say it's part of the game, or when people say you have to lose money to make money, you lose a specific amount that you're supposed to lose. Do you have knowledge for that? No, mostly it's no. You just want to blow the account. Blow the account, blow the account. They don't just say blow the account to make money. Blow the whole amount or the whole money then to make something. No. When we say risk something, we risk something that we are actually happy, or maybe we are willing to lose that. We just give the market something that we are willing to give. The market doesn't have to choose for us. You see, you just have to have that trading plan. Yes, the market sometimes can go up and down. Sometimes we lose, but we lose a certain amount that we are ready to lose. The best question that I like to ask is, are you consistent? Just a matter of yes and no, or yes or no. If it's yes, you're good to go. If it's no, why are you still playing games? Still wishing. Okay. Wish. So we are on gold, by the way. You see, when you talk to people, don't try to hide all the information. Sometimes you have to tell them, because people, they like to play games. To be consistent, sometimes it's not games. Forex is not just easy thing that you just trade and you are a millionaire, or you make any whatever that you want. You have to work, you have to practice, you have to have the knowledge, you have to have the plan, you see. So without extending this, let's just go on gold. What's really happening on gold? This thing is actually on a crazy sell-off. This thing is seriously selling off. I thought maybe when there is wars, when there is all this thing, maybe gold will try to push the upside. But the market, actually the gold is doing the opposite. We thought maybe when there is war, when there is inflation, when there is all these things, maybe gold was about to push up, but that is not really the point this time. So what's really happening after this stronger sell-offs, which we did take some nice trades, we see that now the market is actually doing what? Consolidating. And I like the fact that the market just broke out of there, out of that support area. And since we are on a downtrend, what we can do is we can have something like this and say, you know what, just because the market is showing us that it's selling, we just need to continue with that sell. Why are we trying to go? We can't go against this trend. We don't have to. So we can have a nice sell stop there. And then if the market is ready to go lower, then it will find our sell stop. Then we will be in a very nice profit. You see, simple as that. If the market wants to push higher, we will just wait for the market to break this resistance, and we'll say, oh, maybe the market is about to do what? To push to the upside. Maybe it will reach that resistance. But currently, it seems like that is not really happening. And I think also the market now, from now on, I think the market might start to consolidate as we're waiting for core retail, for core CPI, you see. So I hope maybe you know about that. So let's push to the next one, which we also smashed. Or which we also smashed, by the way. Actually, it's US oil. This is US oil, as you can see. Yes, the market was pushing up nicely. This is called an uptrend, a very nice uptrend, or very straightforward uptrend. So what's really happening is, yes, we did have a breakout, and when that breakout happened, you can see that yes, we did have a breakout here, and the market created these crazy moves, and then after the market went back and started to create this sort of a ranging move or consolidation move. But this, to me, it was a sort of a retest. Then I said, if the market is going to break this support, as I believe this thing is still on a downtrend, I'm expecting the market actually to do what? I'm expecting the market to push lower after this breakout if the support is broken out. And that happened, and you can see that our take profit was very, very close, everyone. Even now, even if they did not close that, you can see this thing touched around this area. So it's actually very close to the take profit. We saw that coming, and I like what I see. And remember, this is also connected to inflation, but unfortunately this is happening now. I think maybe the inflation might be trying to go lower, and then that might push the market to the upside, because once we start to see oil going lower and lower slowly, it's something that we want, by the way. And if that is actually going to continue like this, it means the inflation will also do what? Drop. The prices will start to go lower slowly, and that might start to be a good thing. Maybe let's say on the next CPI, maybe, because now this thing's just happening now. So which means maybe on the next CPI, maybe we might start to see the market trying to do that. Maybe we might start to see the market trying, the market trying to push up, since the oil is starting to go lower and lower. But I'm hoping that maybe it can go on 80, 60 something there. Maybe that will be something the market is looking for. Then we will see the prices going down, and the prices of US30, NASDAQ, they will just skyrocket. They will just go to the moon, and that is something that we want, because they've been selling for some time. You see, so for now, on US oil, I don't see much, as we already smashed this one. So it means I'm just waiting for a small rejection. Maybe if it keeps going lower, I will keep doing what? I will keep selling. Simple as that. I did talk about this, by the way. Go check my previous analysis. Yesterday's analysis, actually. So we are on US30J. Dow Jones, by the way. So what's really happening on Dow Jones? The market is still playing around my support area. You can see we have a very nice support area there, which helps us to say, okay, we are on a downtrend. I'm repeating this because it's very important in the market to understand where the market is going. If you understand where the market is going, yes, sometimes you can be wrong, but most of the time, you're going to smash the market. So what's really happening here is, yes, we see that the market is still respecting our resistance, and the market is still playing around those resistance, you see. So what I see here is, I see that the market was very close to our resistance, and you can see a buy pending order there. The market might be in that profit, but it's a bit smaller, by the way. It's very, very small, but it's something. It's something. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. So I'm expecting, maybe, I don't know, maybe in 4 hours, when we see the inflation figures, I don't know if maybe the market will break this area. If the number is going down, we will see the market breaking this area. And I saw the forecast, actually. They think maybe that is going to go down. But if it's really going to go down, it's going to be very good for the market. But if that number is going to go up, it means we're still going to see the market trying to push lower, especially on NASDAQ. You see, so around this area, I think we see something. It seems like we have an area that we can use here and say, let's see. It's not really perfect, by the way. We can just try to see if maybe that it's something like that, but I'm not really on that currently, because I can easily see that on top there we have a nice resistance line. So I'm just expecting the market to do what? To push lower. And actually, especially US30, it wasn't moving that much, especially yesterday. It's just consolidation, actually. It's just a consolidation. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, guys, please smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on NASDAQ is quite nice. Whatever that I see there, we smashed the market. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me. Check my contacts there. WhatsApp me. We still have this special, guys, from $150 to $100. Remember, I said I need only 20 people. I think it's only one person joined. The other ones, they said they will join this weekend, so it means you still have that space. If not, then you will join it when it's $150, which is fine, by the way, because if you want to be consistent in the market, you can't get some free information. Actually, it's time. If you want to learn, if you want to invest in yourself, that it's good to go, guys. Even if maybe you don't join me, I think get someone who's gonna teach you so that you can make it. I know it's very, very bad actually to lose. It's not really good to lose. I know the feelings of losing money. We all, even now, we still lose some, but as long as we lose certain amount that we're willing to lose, that is something. That is better than nothing. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? I'm just trying to do a quick analysis here. You should know how to do this thing. If you don't know, if you don't really understand this, that's why you're supposed to learn. You're supposed to learn. Why just go on a real account when you know that you don't know? You see, you're just taking chances. You see, so I already did the resistance line, which shows me that, you know what, we are still on a downtrend. We are still on a downtrend. Yes, yesterday on our live session we did smash, and I'm also hoping that we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the same thing today. So what's really happening is, we are still on this. The market was respecting this resistance. The market pushed lower. Then what's really happening is, yes, the market is not really moving that much, as we already repeated several times that there is fundamentals today. So I'm expecting the market maybe currently, let's say there is no any other fundamental, I'm expecting the market maybe to continue with this trend and to push lower and lower. But the market won't just go down forever. That everyone knows that. So there is a time where the market will start to recover, but I don't know if maybe it's now or we don't know, you see. But what I see is maybe if the news are positive, if maybe they are favorable, they favor NASDAQ, they favor the inflation starting to go lower, we might see the market starting to break this area. And from there, we might start to see the market doing what? Pushing up, as we saw the market trying to recover from those lowest areas when the market was pushing up. Unfortunately, we had this resistance. What we want now, we just have to break that, and we will say, okay, maybe we're starting with that uptrend, because now we've been on this downtrend for some time now, for a very long time, you see. But if inflation is still going up, we can say below that area, we can do what? We can continue selling, as we will be just following the fundamentals. Simple as that. So please, guys, you know what to do. If you want to be part of the team, that 500 special, it's still there for 3 months, guys, or $30. Just join if you want to learn, if you want to be consistent, or you can join whoever you want. But the best thing that you can do for me is, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Later on, we're gonna go on our live session, and yeah, I hope we're gonna eat. I know we're gonna eat. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bow.